Welcome to
Two girls and two
Cubs. We really need to get Cubs.
If we had to say sippers, we would say welcome to two strippers and
two
sippers.
But this is not that kind of show.
It is. तो आज हमारे साथ है
बड़े पर्दे की सबसे बड़ी हसीना,
हर डायरेक्टर की पहली पसंद,
सबकी फेवरेट, चाहे वो हो अनुपमा चोपड़ा या राजीव मसंद,
the superstar,
the A-lister,
the iconic,
the most wanted heroine,
की best friend,
Shikha
Tanzania.
Welcome.
I was really wondering where that was going. Thank you so much. That was fantastic.
हम
Behan also you forgot.
हाँ, best friend, best
Slash
बहन.
बहन.
बेस्ट बहन. We'll come to that. वैसे तुमने जो फिल्म की है उसमें भी तुम कोई किसी की फ्रेंड ही बनी थी
और
ना?
तुमने जो फिल्म्स की है
मैं भी
उसमें
friend ही
तुम,
बनी थी.
बहन ही बनी हो, ठीक है? तो हम तीनों सेम ही वोट पे हैं.
बेस्ट फ्रेंड. Okay.
वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड बनती है, मैं सिर्फ एक फ्रेंड और तू कोई बहन.
One of the friends.
One of the-
जिनका जिस कैरेक्टर का नाम भी नहीं होता.
Are you guys done?
Yeah, sorry.
Check me out on IMDb. I play other stuff. Everything is correct on that except my birth date. Yeah. Go on.
क्या बर्थडे कम है या ज्यादा है? मतलब
कम है.
Oh, this is the I respect her because she's saying that she's older and she's not scared of.
But you know,
telling her age.
it's a very privileged thing when you look younger, then you can say that
तब
you
मजा
are
आता है ना
older.
बोलने में.
तब तुम्हारे पास six pack abs है, तुम बोल सकते हो, hey, don't body shame. You don't know what it feels like to be a certain
Just gonna
size.
keep sipping this.
Okay, so now हम क्या करेंगे? हम तुमसे कुछ सवाल पूछेंगे.
जी.
Okay, ये सवाल तुम पे अटैक है
Oh,
basically.
okay. Great. So, super.
और आपको या तो वो अटैक शील्ड करना है,
जी.
अपने आप को शील्ड करना
जी.
है, या तो आप
हम पे अटैक कर सकती है
अटैक बैक कर सकते
या
हैं.
आप इग्नोर भी कर सकती है हमें. It's up to you.
Great.
We give you that flexibility.
Oh wow,
okay?
thanks.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
So
you so
क्या
much.
आप रेडी हो?
जी.
पहला
No, wait.
सवाल. Okay.
Yes.
Two girls roast the guest, roast the guest.
क्या आप असली लाइफ में भी किसी की बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो?
G. No, I also known as Super Sakhi in some circles. So
सुपर सखी.
सखी.
super.
क्या करती है ये सुपर सखी?
I mean, you should know.
Is she
You
saying
don't
she's
know?
my super सखी?
I mean, that's
Am I not?
Yes, you are. Yes, she is. She is.
But how much do you charge for this service?
Super सखी.
Absolutely free, which is why I'm super.
ऐसे सखी. अरे you should start charging. आजकल लोगों को दोस्तों की बहुत लोनलीनेस बढ़ गई है guys.
मुझे चाहिए दोस्त एक.
And charge.
I will pay for it.
Yeah. Come
All
on.
you have to do is come here, sit like
I'm
this.
so unemployed right now. 100%.
Save.
Just you say what you want, babe. You want to call me at 3 o'clock in the morning and just talk about how life is just bullshit. Ready.
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 अगला सवाल ये है.
चश्मे लाओ. ये रहा यार. ये है.
हाँ ओके. यार ये मैं कैसे अच्छा ओके.
क्यों नहीं बोल सकती? तू डर रही है क्या?
पहली क्योंकि मैं पहली बार मिल रही हूँ ना.
एक काम करो, एक दूसरे को एक एक गाली दे दो ताकि हो जाए आइस ब्रेक.
You say it more ऐसा
Come on.
feeling.
गांडू.
No.
जोर से.
गांडू.
जोर से.
गांडू.
Yes.
भपचूतिया.
भपचूतिया.
ओके ओके.
देख,
Just
थोड़ा
say.
आइस ब्रेक हो गया.
कुछ नहीं हुआ है. She's still really scared.
हाँ, why is she scared of you? And you know,
don't
I have to
know.
tell you this. जब भी हम किसी गेस्ट को बुलाते हैं, हम थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे क्वेश्चंस प्रेप करते हैं वगैरह वगैरह, राइट? तो यूजुअली जब हम प्रेप करते हैं, इट्स लाइक हाँ उससे पूछ लेंगे, हाँ ऐसे. तेरे टाइम पे she's like हाँ जितने भी सवाल है सब में आप लिखा है.
Wow.
She's like,
Okay. Thank
तो
you.
आप किसी की रियल लाइफ में बेस्ट फ्रेंड है?
पहली बार हमारे शो पे ऐसा एक इंसान है जिसकी मैं फैन हूँ, तो मतलब थोड़ा तो वो रिस्पेक्ट तो होगा ना. So you want to do everything.
Oh.
Acting, writing, producing.
प्रोड्यूसिंग किए?
Kind of.
है ना वो रियलिटी शोज वगैरह
हाँ,
में?
but kind of.
Directing.
Yeah.
तो फिर भी आपको काफी लोग नहीं जानते. ऐसा क्यों?
किस्मत. I don't know. Very bad.
I felt like तूने बोला किस्मत है, लेकिन तूने सोचा something else.
I feel like I'm trying to sell myself on Instagram as much as possible, but still
I saw.
nobody's buying. So
That is
I
very cute.
don't know what else to do. किसी ने मुझे पूछा दूसरे दिन कि I was obviously going down the spiral of just like there is no work, I don't know what else to do.
Like all of us.
Like all of us. and they're like, "Acha, Shikha, tell me something very seriously. In the last few, things that you have seen in Indian wala content wala sphere, तुम्हें क्या करना है? तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि what should you have been hired for?" I said, "Pick anything."
मैं सब कुछ कर सकती हूँ.
हाँ यार, हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, that's true.
Could you all have been a part of Hira Mandi? 100%.
Oh,
लापता
I
lady-
definitely-
hello.
I
100%.
am.
एक
मतलब
बार
we
देख
established-
लीजिए.
पूरा बोल. पूरा बोल.
दीवाना बना दीजिए. जलने को है तैयार हम. परवाना बना दीजिए. एक बार देखिए. She nods her head like that also. I love it.
Because the eyes are not moving, so she's just like सर ही हिला लेते हैं.
But don't worry, आज आप Two Girls Two Cups पे आई हैं.
जी जी
इस वीडियो को लोग देख, मतलब ये वीडियो जब आएगा YouTube पे,
आप जानी चाहिए.
तभी भी आपको कोई नहीं जानेगा. Don't worry.
जब तुम्हारी बायोपिक बनेगी,
Oh God, okay.
उसमें भी तुम बेस्ट फ्रेंड का ही रोल करोगी.
Yeah. 100%.
मतलब इनफ यार.
But what a great quality, guys.
Yeah.
Single boys out there, men.
Super
Such a
सखी.
great quality.
How?
Just saying.
Are you selling yourself
The
as
friend,
super सखी to
the friend
boys?
zone.
I'm just saying it's a great thing to have. Aren't people looking for like your partner should be your best friend?
Yeah.
Love
दोस्ती
is
है.
friendship. What an absolutely delightful thought. Rahul. प्यार दोस्ती है. Love is friendship.
Love is friendship.
मेरा नाम चिन 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 चिन. Control, Miss Braganza. Control.
Oh, I can watch this all day.
So sarcastic.
It's not. I swear to God. No, I have to say that from because I have watched your stuff. But what I saw in campus and what I'm seeing over here and the other videos I've seen, thanks to this one, it's a versatility for sure.
हाँ, बड़ी talented है.
I can do anger in many ways.
Sure.
Anger.
I know
This is a lot of anger.
And explosive anger.
तो आप थिएटर भी करती है, हमने सुना है.
हाँ
हाँ.
जी.
तो फिर ठीक है, वो तो हॉबी हो गई. पैसे कमाने के लिए क्या करते हैं आप?
Nice, cute. Very nice. I will now put such a dampener on this because honestly, मेरे दोनों parents जो हैं वो actors हैं, वो theater करते थे. So
ये तो भूल ही गई थी मैं.
So actually हमारा घर, मेरी education, गाड़ी में पेट्रोल सब ऐसा थिएटर पे चला है बहुत टाइम तक. तो अगर आप सिर्फ थिएटर कर रहे हो और अगर आप गुजराती थिएटर कर रहे हो या फिर मराठी थिएटर कर रहे हो, इंग्लिश डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, इंग्लिश थिएटर और एक्सपेरिमेंटल थिएटर, बट यू कैन मेक मनी. यू कांट मेक मतलब ऐसा वाला मनी यू कांट.
मतलब मर्सिडीज नहीं होगी शायद, बट यू विल हैव अ डिसेंट एनफ लाइफ.
होगी. या
Really?
या यू कैन.
Because
We are myth busting today on Two Girls Two Cups.
like always.
It used to be like that. I don't know now अब क्या चल रहा है, but you can.
I also feel this is the point. जब when your mom dad were doing theatre ना,
Yeah.
तब theatre का value बहुत high था. अभी उतना शायद नहीं है. Like in terms of money, in terms of not in terms of respect.
No, again that depends आप किसके साथ काम कर रहे हो, कितने shows कर रहे हो. आप and look, I'll be truthful. Everybody has to hustle, and you have to do something else
Yeah.
also for sure. पर like मैं theatre के बिना survive नहीं कर सकती. मुझे वो what I get from theatre, like I cannot do just camera. I have to do theatre and camera.
But वो तो तेरे दिल के लिए ना. More than the
मेरे
money.
craft के लिए भी money.
हाँ, अभी मैं
100%.
सिर्फ monetarily पूछ रही हूँ.
Monetarily, yeah, it's a little tough. You have to do other things for sure,
Like,
and you have to write.
You can do anything you want.
are you talking about the other things that I am doing right now?
Other things.
Why do you think my feet are so clean?
Listen, I really want to ask you about that. I really want to know, and very seriously, I want to know because my toes look really pretty after a pedicure.
And you want to make money off of them.
Hey, guys, the rest of me is not making that much money right now. But can I tell you the worst thing that happened to me is that I was shooting for an ad और उसमें बहुत time पहले, and there was this one. The scene was कि मैं मेरी friend पीछे बैठी हुई है. I was playing the best friend again. और मैं वो fish pedicure कर रही थी.
Oh.
So now I'm just
Scam.
like, the script मुझे भेजी थी, so I was just like, oh god, मेरे पैर आने वाले हैं also. So मैं pedicure करवा के गई. So the fish was just like, what's there to eat now? You're so clean. So they weren't coming to my feet at all.
That's very funny.
And so, and obviously I was feeling a little like ऐसा about it. Because it is a little
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah.
Tickly.
so one that did latch on immediately मेरा ऐसा अरे मेरा line था, I have to look back and be like अरे don't be is what used to keep happening
Okay, got it.
twice. So in that झटकना of my leg also, वो एक जो fish थी वो भी ऐसा like अच्छा नहीं करना है.
आपके पापा एक्टर है?
Oh god, you're also saying आप.
तो उसमें आप लिखा,
देखो जब हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं हम आप बोलते हैं.
नहीं, आप लिख दिया है तूने. इतनी रिस्पेक्ट के साथ तो कभी किसी को नहीं बुलाया. पापा को बुलाया आप कभी?
Not to say कि आप मेरे पापा की उम्र की हैं or anything like that.
That's not what I said, but okay. तुमने, तूने, तेरी तो, okay. तेरे पापा एक्टर है?
जी.
तेरे भी पापा एक्टर है?
हाँ.
इधर तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. तेरे काम भी नहीं आया nepotism?
नहीं यार.
मतलब this is
this is
literally
the
like the
worst.
first time Kangana has given thumbs up to nepotism. She's like, good.
ये चलता. This is okay. This you.
ये nepotism चलेगा.
You know, मेरे दोस्त है और and both our parents are like fathers are.
इसके बाद नंबर दे देना.
हाँ.
Just say. We are increasing our phone.
Oh, for this thing. Sorry. I apologize.
Next.
वो अभी LA में है, but it's okay. I will give number for sure. So I was telling her, I said, you know, हम है ना ऐसा on the boundary, on the fringe of nepotism है. Nor do we get the glory of, you know, being an outsider and making it on your own.
Yeah.
जिस दिन तुमने make it कर दिया उस दिन बोलेंगे तुम लोग.
हाँ. And nor do we get a launch. वो भी नहीं हुआ ना कि मतलब करो तो क्या करो. When I told my parents that I want to be an actor, and they were just like, it's tough. हम तुम्हारे लिए कोई कॉल नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ.
हम भी मतलब वेट ही कर रहे ना घर पे कि कोई तो कॉल आएगा,
हाँ,
हमें भी काम मिलेगा and stuff like that. I didn't know who to call, what to do. My parents didn't. They were working like their entire career was at on a rise, or they were working non-stop during the 90s जहाँ इतनी auditions होते नहीं थे.
हाँ.
We were in the 2000s now where auditions had begun. A little bit of studio culture had come in. I actually didn't act after making that proclamation कि मतलब you know I want to act. That didn't happen.
हाँ.
So I did other things, like I then got into television. So it was a lot of that organizing stuff that you do in college anyway. So I said अच्छा तब तक मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. Then I became friends with the celebrities that I used to meet on say a Jhalak Dikhla Ja or stuff like that, because we were casted.
You used to do
crew
backstage and
whatever.
coordination and all. That was
Yeah.
the production bit you've done, right?
Correct. So they would give me numbers saying, you know, you can talk to this agency, you can talk to that agency, and nobody gave me ghas at all, saying, but tu hai kaun? So I said, correct only, I understand. एक friend थी who was assisting Nandini Shrikant on makeup set, and she's like, are you still interested in acting? I said, yes. Very much so.
Please
Standing
call
on,
her.
yes. And she's like, you want to come in for an audition? And I said, okay, never done this before. Went for the audition. Went for the second audition where I died a little bit. I was just like with Ayan and with Ranbir and with Namit Das. Oh my god.
Oh, that kind of audition is a good audition.
Yeah.
सीधा actors के साथ.
And so I got paid.
Shit.
It was also like I was excited. I said,
Yeah,
मैं
yeah.
दे दूँगी
Oh God,
वो
पैसे.
पहली
हाँ.
फिल्म के टाइम पे सब लोग बोलते
मैं
हैं
दे दूँगी
fuck the
पैसे.
money.
But वही था ना कि मुझे होर्डिंग पे भी डालोगे और
हाँ.
मुझे
मैंने
होर्डिंग
बोला
पे
हाँ
डालो.
कुछ मत दो ना मैं देती हूँ
तो
आपको.
मुझे टीवी पे भी डालोगे और मुझे पैसे भी दोगे ऐसे कैसे?
And I quit my job, and like I remember Manoj who was doing my contract at that point. He was like, तूने quit कर दिया? नहीं मत quit कर मत पैसे नहीं है बहुत सारे. I just began from there, then talking to people, figuring out you know who to call in terms of casting this that. I've gone for random rubbish auditions. I've gone for great auditions. I've done stuff for very little money. I've done stuff for like it just all took a little bit of time to figure it out. Also it was all changing very fast.
Yeah.
Wake Up Sid say like it took me Wake Up Sid was 2009 and yeah, and
Wow.
Veere Di Wedding was 2018. So it took
Like
that
9
much
years.
time. Yeah, and then beach mein matlab, then you get calls like you have. It's so beautiful because it randomly I got a call from Deepa Mehta and I'm just like, this is some Nigerian prince wala scam to hoga for sure because what is this number?
I want to give all my money to you actually. My wife is dying. I'm
So then
dying.
and I still picked it up because I was in that wala zone saying paise bhi nahi hai.
कोई
मैं तो
कोई
अब
भी
मतलब I want entertainment. I'm going to get the scammer. So
Yeah.
I picked up and I was like, hi Shika, this is Deepa Mehta. And I'm like,
ये तो आप ही हैं.
yes. In 2018, when a lot of people were just like, oh shit, your Tiku Talsania's daughter, really? Acha. So you must be getting into rooms very easily. And I said, घंटा फर्क पड़ता है उससे. My father is not in that room. What I'll get to go in that
देखो
room?
guys, 2 living examples हैं. Okay,
That was a tough one,
nice.
guys.
That was that
How
went
you
down
will edit
memory.
this? I want to know. It's a very
Everybody
long
asks
one.
us this question.
We also don't know. जैसे तुमने second audition रणबीर के साथ किया था. Can we have the number?
Ranbir's?
हाँ.
No, not at all.
Ayan's?
Never.
Karina's?
No.
Sonam,
No.
Riya?
your papa.
Sure. He's a very sweet guy.
इन idiots को नहीं समझ आया. इनके पापा का नाम टीकू तलसानिया है. सॉरी, सुल्तानिया नहीं, सल्तनत के नहीं थे. टीकू तलसानिया है. I can't say the surname.
टीकू तलसानिया.
इनके पापा जी का नाम टीकू तलसानिया है.
One of the most famous,
Most
famous
iconic
actors
his
of
time, yeah.
the 90s. है ना?
ना अलग नाम है ना, टीकू.
I'm a mustache away from looking like my
I have these
preconceived notions.
preconceived. हाँ, वही मैं वही ढूंढ रही थी, मिल ही नहीं रहा था, मुंह में आ ही नहीं रहा था.
You need to
हाँ,
pay her to be
कि
a super star.
पहले तो आप जब थिएटर ज्वाइन करते हो तभी आपको इंटर्न के जैसे ट्रीट किया जाता है. आप चाय वाय बांट रहे हो,
नहीं.
आप बाद में बोलना नहीं.
Sorry.
आप झाड़ू कर
पहले
रहे
नोशन सुन तो
हो.
ले.
हाँ, झाड़ू कर रहे हो,
हाँ,
कोई
हाँ,
आपको
हाँ.
भाव नहीं देता, आप डायरेक्टर की चाटते हो, वो सब तो हो ही
Director की चाटते हो?
नॉट लिटरली, मेटाफोरिकली.
Okay.
तो ये सब तो एज अ वुमन तो घर पे वैसे भी सिखाते हैं.
That's true.
तो आपको थिएटर करने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी?
क्या आपके पेरेंट्स बहुत ही मतलब
प्रोग्रेसिव
थे?
है,
घर पे काम
आपको
कराया?
नहीं सिखाया बर्तन
चाय
करना,
बनाना,
झाड़ू करना, चाय करना.
चाटना.
Such a cute angle.
कोई बात
Honest to God, I have no smart
कोई
comeback.
बात
for this.
Boring.
Honestly, it's a very equalizing place. But
है? मेरे ऊपर से क्या है?
Equalizing? Equal.
apparently I started with an accent also. Equalizing class.
आप बांद्रा में रहती हो?
जी नहीं, गोरेगांव में.
गोरेगांव में?
East में that also. लेके जाओ. हमें से कर सकते
You belong to Bandra.
हैं. ऐसी कोई हायरार्की नहीं होती है जैसे हमारे सेट्स पे होती है.
नहीं, बट कितने एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने बोला पहले मैं अपनी फर्स्ट फिल्म से पहले पीछे पृथ्वी में झाड़ू पोछा कर रहा था. वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं फिर.
शायद.
Struggle.
या फिर कर रहे थे. पर उन्होंने नहीं बोला ना.
उन्होंने अपने चॉइस, वो अपने चॉइस से कर रहे थे. क्योंकि उनको
नहीं बोला कि मतलब I was on झाड़ू duty and somebody else was on पेटी duty, you know, of like putting the costumes back and stuff like
They
that.
only spoke about themselves.
Just spoke
Half
about
information दिया, झूठ बोला.
But myth busting
myth
busting is happening today on
Two Girls Two Cars. तो थिएटर में एक्सप्लॉइटेशन नहीं होता.
या जो मैंने किया उसमें तो नहीं होता.
तो नेपोटिज्म थिएटर में
कहीं तो काम आया. कहीं तो काम आया, थोड़ा तो काम आया. क्योंकि एक्सप्लॉइटेशन तो हर जगह है.
यहाँ सिर्फ हमारे जैसे लोगों के साथ
If you
होता है.
explore like this is a very long conversation and a very philosophical one in types and whatever.
नहीं,
So,
वो सिमी गरेवाल के शो में
not even there.
Two girls get to the point, get to the point.
Okay, what do you prefer, theater or films? What do you prefer doing?
Tell a story. Yeah, I can't. choose.
वाओ, ये आलाप बहुत अच्छा गाया आपने.
Can't choose. You're open for theatre?
I'll tell you. My experience with just trying to get in was very difficult. I'm not vain, but I have a certain way of being. Like I do makeup and I dress up and I like doing that. And there is this very, very known person in the theatre circuit.
Who?
And he really made me feel terrible in a group of other
क्योंकि तू
people
makeup
who
करके
were
गई
like in their kurta pajama, and I have come wearing my tight top and like I've done some makeup because I like to.
One more myth that I want to bust about myself is that people think like it's a great joke that I got into theatre because of my because of nepotism. I did not. I was actually doing a film called My Friend Pinto, where I was playing a friend again, and I had the best time.
But the film's name was My Friend Pinto, so you were still the main lead.
Yeah,
But you were the friend still.
I was not the Pinto. However,
Oh, you were not.
I was not the Pinto. So, in that,
You were the friend's friend.
No. My friend Pinto, Arjun Mathur, was playing the friend. I forgot his name.
Which friend were you?
I was Pinto's friend's
Friend.
no wife's friend. Till they laugh, I will tell you what the story is. Basically, I met other actors on that film who were doing theatre at that point of time, and I kept meeting them because we became friends, etc. Whatever. And I was just like, please, if there's anything, please let me know. If there's anything, please let me know. I'll come and audition. I'll come and chill, this, that, whatever. And one day there was an opportunity. After months and months and months of me telling Adhir, being like, if there's anything, please let me know. There are some people who do camera really well but are average when it comes to theatre, or they don't adapt that much to theatre and really just like exploit it and what all you can do with it. And there are some people who do both really quickly. So I think casting calls जो पहले होता है वो भी मतलब ऐसा टेस्ट करना पड़ता है कि तू कर क्या सकता है. कि अगर मैं तुझे कल कहूँ कि in this scene you are water, you're wind and I'm fire.
Yeah.
Say for example.
Let's do it.
And if one person is just doing this as fire, then it's
I'm fire?
automatic. No, you're wind.
I'm wind, so I'm probably doing this.
No, but
What
that's
is
water, no?
going to do?
Then I'll be doing this.
Or you can just do this.
That's what you would do if you were wind, and that's why you're not wind.
And that's why I don't.
That's why you don't
not
get
done
cast.
theatre.
That's why you
Yeah,
don't get
नाटक देखने का it's not like this.
So one more time, okay? Action. Come on, you're fire.
Yeah, I'm fire from within, babe. It's
Oh.
the attitude.
Oh. It's the choice you make
Yay,
as an
that's-
actor.
Subtlety तो नहीं आती. Hey. हाँ, you were judged for being vain हो गया ना?
I'm a celebrated rarity, not a norm yet. So I understand completely, but
Wow, that is a nice one.
Celebrated rarity,
Rarity,
not a norm.
Wow.
I want to be the norm.
Why?
हिंदी ऑडियंस गूगल कर देना इन सब की. Sorry.
One thing that I keep thinking to myself, saying, मैं लंबी रेस की घोड़ी हूँ, because that's what I've seen at home as well.
मैं लंबी भी और घोड़ी भी हूँ.
ये मैं बोलने वाली थी, मैंने बंद कर दिया. मैंने सोचा मैं
have
बहुत
you
बॉडी
seen-
शेम कर रही हूँ तुम्हें.
Have you seen her run? Gallops.
I feel like sitting on her sometimes.
She's not a gazelle. She's a horse.
What are you doing on social media, and are you doing it out of your will, or are you doing it
क्योंकि मैनेजर ने बोला.
क्योंकि मैनेजर ने बोला? Or both?
My team and I, because I'm with an agency, etc. तो हमने बातें की से भाई बताओ कि मुझे भी साबुन बेचना है.
हाँ हाँ.
सब लोग साबुन बेच रहे हैं. I honestly had a very very serious conversation with them, and I said, how should I do this? We came up with a few ideas. None of them worked for me personally. That reel that you're talking about, where I have very openly said कि what?
तुम बताओ. हाँ.
Yeah.
तुम बताओ मैं क्या
I
करूं?
thought वो बहुत काफी
I think
cool
it's
चीज
very
थी यार
cool.
कि जो तुम्हारे followers है तुम ही बताओ यार तुमको क्या देखना है.
क्या
मैं
देखना
करती हूँ
है
ना वो.
तुम्हें? मुझे साबुन बेचना है. I really want to
I
sell
know.
soap
So it's
apparently, guys.
very conflicting.
इसको कोई साबुन दे दो यार.
Please बेचने के लिए.
साबुन दे दो please.
Back in the day जब theatre कर रहे थे, we also knew कि मतलब I didn't know, I wasn't doing theatre then, but everybody knew ना कि मतलब कुछ और भी करना पड़ेगा. राइटिंग कर लो या फिर टीवी सीरियल कर लो या फिर just anything
साथ साथ
else.
कुछ करो. हाँ.
This is the new something else.
I agree. I feel like as much as we find it like very overwhelming, I think कि हम अगर rigid हो जाएंगे तो हम पीछे रह जाएंगे क्योंकि ऐसा हमारे like मेरे पापा के जमाने के जो actors थे, मेरे my dad I felt became rigid कि यही acting होती है
हाँ.
या यही फिल्म में यही चलता है.
हाँ.
Because of that फिर अभी जाके उन्होंने समझा कि नहीं थोड़ी नेचुरल एक्टिंग करनी पड़ेगी, वर्कशॉप्स करने पड़ेंगे।
बेसिकली गेम चेंज होती है और
अपने
आपको
आप को-
अडैप्ट करना पड़ेगा।
जितना ही
ये-
तुम्हें लगे कि क्या हो रहा है यार।
चलो
हाँ गेम से पहले बस हमने क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया के बारे में बात की और
और
हमने
तुमको
बोला कि
साबुन
हमें
बेचना है।
हाँ
मुझे
साबुन बेचना है,
परफ्यूम बेचना है, ड्रिंक्स, फूड, लाइफस्टाइल, क्लोथ्स, and many other things.
एंड
Yeah.
हमें भी बेच सकते हो
Furniture.
TGGC, I mean.
I've already done that. I've already
हाँ.
told them to see your other episodes. Now, guys,
GRWM routine please.
are you paying
To
me
the
for
camera.
this? Oh, this just might spark
This
off
might
something,
pay you
right?
for हाँ.
Sorry. So I wake up in the morning and I have an entire bottle of water. No, I don't. I wake up in the morning. I pee. I splash my face with water. Can we cut out the peeing bit?
एक बार वो जुबान से जो बोला है कुछ वो
वो
अंदर
तो-
वापस नहीं ले सकते। मेरी हिंदी इतनी बकवास है भाई।
भाई
If I'm employed and I'm going for rehearsal, then it'll be something as a like easy to wear. One bottle of water will be carried. I have a fan that I've started carrying recently, by the way.
Oh, I thought fan.
That's a very good idea. Just keep a fan. Oh my God, Shikha ji, आप कितने amazing हो।
Just a
Selfie,
personal
please.
hype person. Yeah.
We had thought of now Manobal. We had decided that we'll keep this like a guy, like a
जैसे स्पॉट ज्यादा होते हैं ना,
हाँ।
वैसे हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम अपने साथ एक मनोबल को ले
उसका नाम ही हम मनोबल रखेंगे।
Nice,
जो
nice.
जो
उसको
nice.
कुछ नहीं करना है।
क्योंकि कभी कभी तुम बहुत अच्छा शॉट तुम्हारे हिसाब से देती हो लेकिन डायरेक्टर को
कोई
कहा
कुछ
ठीक है
होता है।
नेक्स्ट।
Yeah.
चलो
हमारे साथ ये होता है,
But
आपके
you
साथ
want
पता
that
नहीं।
person. नहीं मेरे साथ भी होता है। मैं
हाँ।
ऐसा बहुत ऐसे good for you.
हाँ।
Worked.
हाँ
But they will just like
She'll
not
tell you all the story.
तो इससे अच्छा
later,
मनोबल-
much later.
पर मनोबल को हमने हायर किया है।
Very
हमारा
good.
मनोबल-
जैसे ही
cut.
What a shot, everybody clap.
A wash face with Cetaphil, pat it dry.
of course.
No rubbing,
No rubbing.
just
No
patching.
friction.
Then
No
I take
friction.
a little bit of under eye cream,
Like this with the ring fingers.
and then I do that,
Uh-huh.
and then I put it on top also.
Oh
a little
yeah,
bit.
we forget
Yeah.
the
And you
upper
dab
eyes.
it, or you
Yeah.
dab it.
Dab.
Dab, everything
dab.
dab, no rub.
Mm.
Rub
Then
is only one place. Okay, how many times have you gotten briefs from casting
What
directors?
kinds?
Bubbly, chulbuli, khush mijaz,
If I sorry, you want to say more?
bombil,
Bombil? That's a fish ना?
And it's a fish like this.
It's a flat fish जिसको fry करते हैं।
There used to be a lot of ऐसा voluptuous, curvy,
curvy,
healthy,
khati piti.
healthy and happy.
But I'm being fat shamed on this show a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Who are these people? 2
Somebody,
rupees people?
2 rupees people. Somebody saying कि मैंने कल ही कमेंट पढ़ा, कल परसों था क्या था कमेंट कि सलोनी की डबल चिन आ रही है, she has to double the workout.
That was funny though.
I
That's
laughed
funny.
so much.
Okay, किसी ने तो कहा था saying that please आप weight lose कर लीजिए, ऐसा कुछ था. There are lots of people just like please weight don't become like the other actors. We love you as you are.
हाँ.
And you're just like, thank you, I really appreciate it, thank you very much. But like my acting skill is not attached to my body.
Yeah.
If it was, then I'd be I would be in Cirque du Soleil.
What's your dating life like? Do you have a dating life?
Yeah.
So basically क्या हो रहा है ना शिखा, I'll tell you, हमारे जितने भी गेस्ट्स आए ना सबसे पहले सब सिंगल है. इन लोगों को ही मिला दे.
हाँ, जैसे तो पहले
वो तो
कोशिश
मिल
की भी नहीं है ना.
गए ना,
कैसे
मतलब they met.
नहीं.
पिछले में तो हरमन था ना.
हाँ हरमन और ये मिले हैं बट और तो नहीं मिले ना.
और कौन था? मेरे डैड. पागल है क्या? Why are people thinking that if you're single you are constantly looking for a man?
I'm
Constantly.
definitely looking for a man.
But constantly.
100%.
Constantly, definitely,
All the
every
time?
day.
Yeah.
Why not?
What kind of
What
guy you
kind
are
of a
looking?
guy do you want?
You should be talented. You should be witty.
Hmm.
Like you should be able to make me laugh and understand my jokes. That's a big thing. Clean hands, very important.
Wow, that's a new one. That's
Clean hands.
That's an important.
Imagine सब कुछ गंदा है हाथ से.
सोच मिट्टी लगी है और वो जा रहा है इसके पास, बोल रहा है बट हाथ तो साफ है, तुमने क्लीन हैंड्स
So जो अनिल कपूर नायक में जो मड में
मड में
जाता
जाता
है,
है,
निकलता है हाथ साफ है. Actually, I've realized I need my husband's hands more than him. For
and they're
most
big
things.
hands, no?
For most things, and he also has this condition called
I know these
essential.
things.
Called I overshare. Called essential
Clearly.
tremor, where his hands shake.
So imagine.
So it's like
It's a
perfect.
natural like. It's a natural
Great, I
movement.
just want clean hands for now.
Do you want essential tremor?
We'll deal with that when it comes to it. Just have some sort of passion of some, like even if it's just like,
Oh, I heard cash.
I also heard cash, and I was like, yeah, that's right.
That's right.
no, sure, that too. But some sort, like you should be excited about something.
Right.
How to make one omelette really well. Like you mastered the omelette. Just something that
That's
you're
reminding me of
passionate
Wake Up
about.
Sid. Sorry.
Oh hey, what a callback! Yeah, the scene that I wasn't in.
See on reality shows you produced. कुछ ऐसे
हाँ कुछ
gossip
ऐसे कुछ
देना,
BTS
झलक
देना,
का
कुछ ऐसे
gossip
मतलब
देना।
gossip देना.
ऐसे कुछ
कुछ तो देना, ऐसा कुछ
देना
नया,
यार, कुछ
please
ऐसे
नया.
scandalous देना।
ऐसा कुछ जो people
Scandalous मेरे पास
I think
नहीं
पुरानी
है.
बात भी हो गई है तो अब तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
I will not tell you the name.
Okay.
I will tell you the name like
हाँ
that.
हाँ हैं?
Absolutely useless people. This person it was. But I was working for a show and I was doing flow management at that point of time and assistant flow management at that time. So I had to be backstage and we would be on our comms and whatever and just like, Acha, now send this one in and now send this one in. 5, 4, 3, 2, go, 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 go.
Haan.
And the celebrity would come walking up the steps and whatever. और पीछे था. It was nothing. It was a set, right? One celebrity has come and आपको यही जाना and I'll be here, ma'am. Don't worry. I will cue you when you have to go on stage and whatever. और stage पे जाके ना मैम आप जब आपको जजेस टेबल पे जाना है तो आप प्लीज इस तरफ से जाइएगा उस तरफ से मत जाइएगा. So she's like, yeah, okay, cool. I'm looking, okay, is that lipstick and my teeth messing? Yeah, all good, it's fine, it's great. का गाना बजा, वो उनकी एंट्री हुई and उनके हाथ में एक माइक था. फिर ऐसा, okay, I am coming to you. She's saying to the judges. I am coming to you, and I can see her walking towards the ramp. और मैं ऐसे पीछे से
उधर से मत जाओ।
और ऐसा कॉम्प में चल रहा है, अरे तेरी माँ की बाल तूने उसे बताया नहीं, ऐसा मैंने बताया, I can just do something. गाना चल रहा है और वो ऐसे ग्रूव कर रही है and it's like I'm kind of you oh God. And then I can see feet
Going that side.
top
Oh my god.
collectively everyone going and then 2 seconds later I'm okay, I'm coming to you.
Oh gosh.
Let's play a game.
You girls play okay.
So the game is we'll give you a sentence.
Yeah.
ठीक है, हम देखो एक sentence देंगे and हम देखो एक character देंगे. So you have to say that line.
Yeah.
in-
As that character.
As that
The
character.
word is you are versatile actor.
आपका पहला character है
हाँ.
Shakespeare.
का कोई भी
Shakespeare
Character.
स्टाइल में आपको ये बोलना है, ठीक है? आपका
Very
सेंटेंस
bad
है
at Shakespeare, by the way.
कल रात बर्तन करते करते मेरी कमर अकड़ गई.
कल रात बर्तन करते करते मेरी कमर alas it's terrible, absolutely terrible. I'm so
मेरी
sorry.
कमर alas. जिब्रिश में बोलना है, लेकिन आपका कैरेक्टर न्यूज रिपोर्टर है जो कह रहा है आज सुबह थेम्स नदी में 3 लाशें मिली.
Unsefasidin. Braten Tufa. 3 Fafelsietepoo.
I just peed.
There goes your couch.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Now, as a period character, you have to say this, like Rani Gadambari.
Okay.
Who's that?
Some
Okay.
she
Okay.
is right now. She is okay.
आदाब. क्यों आदाब?
Ars की है जो गांड में गू नहीं है और चले हैं सुअर को दावत देने.
जो गांड में गू नहीं है चले हैं सुअर को दावत देने. बताओ बाबूजी, क्या ये सच है?
20-year-old Gen Z गर्ल तुम हो और डायलॉग है, आर्थराइटिस और नी सर्जरी के बाद जीने की तमन्ना ही चली गई है.
That's my camera. It's just like, okay. Okay, cool.
Nice.
Arthritis और knee surgery के बाद
जीने की तमन्ना ही चली गई.
So like arthritis and knee surgery के बाद जीने की तमन्ना fully gone.
She just did this, bro.
What is that?
You're drunk.
As fuck.
You're so drunk.
You're like
You're
wasted.
wasted. You're like slurring. And what does she have to say?
You haven't thought of anything, no?
No, we have. We didn't have a line, but we didn't.
You just have to tell our viewers to watch Two Girls, Two
Two
Cups,
Girls,
and we are amazing, and subscribe, like, share, comment.
Yeah. But you're like drunk.
Shirag, I want to say two things. Okay? One is that you should go and watch Potluck Season 2 because we've done a drunk scene in that and we're just so fucking good. Okay, and the second thing is that, you know, what these guys, you know, like, 2 cups and, no, 2 girls. I'm so drunk. Right, so 2 girls, they're there. And 2 cups, we've got only 1. And they like have like cue cards and shit, right? And you know, they have like 3 fucking cameras, dude. 3. But they're all about the 2. With a third person. So I'm just saying that, you know, just get it. Just get it.
Excuse!
Get it.
Serious advice.
Yes.
कि hustle कैसे करना चाहिए किसी भी चीज में. What is the right way to hustle?
Keep your ears open. Observe, listen. Keep your ethics very, very, very close to your heart and stick to them because that's the only thing that will save you at the end of the day. Don't be judgmental at all. And make use of the notes app on your phone and just like take down notes saying,
And
this is working.
I'm gonna add to that, never give up.
तेरे से नहीं पूछा किसी ने.
नहीं तो
ये ऐसे बकवास कोट्स ना मेरे जिम में भी होते हैं, कोई नहीं देखता, ठीक है?
Just don't give up.
I just want to ask you about, you said keep your ears open. Is it ears or ears?
It's alas.
Ears.
Is it?
Ears.
Ears. Say it.
Ears.
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 And years.
Ears.
And
Ear.
L.
L.
Ears.
Guys, it's ears and ears.
Just कान खुले रखना, guys. कान
And
खुले
whenever
रखना.
you are saying the word ears, don't do just don't do that.
Hariom.
Bye.
Bye.
2 girls and 2 guys. 2 girls and 2 cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Cheers. Sayonara. Alvida.
Hare.